In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct passive voice misuse in Grammarly. If you've ever been told your writing sounds vague or indirect, chances are passive voice is sneaking in more than it should. Grammarly makes it easy to spot and fix, and I'll walk you through a simple workflow to tighten your sentences and keep your meaning clear. Start by opening Grammarly in your browser. Once you're in the app, look to the left sidebar and click Docs. This takes you to your writing workspace where all your documents live. From here, choose New Doc to start from scratch, or select Upload if you already have a file you want to refine. Either option brings your text into the editor so you can use Grammarly's suggestions and AI tools. With your document open, move your attention to the right side of the screen and open AI Chat. This panel lets you ask targeted questions and request rewrites without leaving the editor. It's especially handy for voice and tone adjustments because you can apply changes directly to the text you're viewing. In the Ask AI box, type the prompt "change into passive voice" and send it. Even though our goal is to correct passive voice misuse, this command is useful for understanding how sentence structure shifts between active and passive. Seeing both versions side by side helps you decide what to keep passive, for example, when the doer is unknown or unimportant, and what to rewrite in active voice for clarity. If your goal is to reduce passive constructions, you can simply adapt the same approach by asking for "change into active voice" on selected passages you want to strengthen. When Grammarly returns the rewrite, click Accept to apply the changes to your document. This updates the text in place, and you can immediately review how the new phrasing affects clarity and emphasis. If a change doesn't match your intent, you can quickly revert or try a more specific prompt, such as keeping the subject first or preserving technical terms to fine-tune the result. As you continue, watch Grammarly's real-time suggestions in the editor. It will highlight passive voice, flag overuse, and propose active alternatives. Skim each suggestion, accept when it sharpens your message, and leave it when passive is appropriate, like in objective reports or when you want to focus on results rather than the actor. That's it. By moving your text into Docs, opening AI Chat, testing the passive transformation, and accepting the best revisions, you'll correct passive voice misuse efficiently while keeping control over your tone and meaning.